Hi everyone, I'm Colleen and this is Nate. We're Navigate with Colleen and Nate, where we share our travel adventures. We are a couple who love to travel, explore new places, and have fun along the way. Join us as we show you the best spots, where to eat, and tips and tricks for your next vacation. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to navigate your world.
Last week, we took you to Hideaway Bay, Royal Caribbean's newest adults-only area at Coco Cay. In this episode, we've gotten back on the ship and are ready to head out on our final night on Icon of the Seas. We check out some champagne bars, some sushi, and even run into some surprise guests. So keep it right there as we enjoy our final night aboard Icon of the Seas.
Now we're gonna head back to the room and get cleaned up because we're covered in sand and sunscreen and all that good stuff, but definitely seems like people are trying to keep the party going here. So we'll see what tonight's like on board. Usually last night is the most chill night, but I think Icon might have some surprises yet for us. All right, later navigators. Oh man, my hair's crazy. Mariner of the Seas, oh, you can't see it. It's a little tough to see it, but anyways, Mariner of the Seas pulling away from us. But we just started packing. It's always so sad, but this is another great sailaway. So much excitement around Icon of the Seas. Even the folks, I mean, I've never seen so many people out on their balcony for a sail away. What do you think of that sail away, Colleen?
That was pretty cool.
Everyone's so excited about Icon. Have you ever seen that many people out on their deck to like?
No, it was actually really neat. I think it's like the mutual, like, hey, you're sailing on Royal, I'm sailing on Royal. That's a really cool ship. So yeah, it was neat to see.
Well, good evening, navigators. There's Colleen over there enjoying some wine.
Cheers!
Cheers! Yeah, so last night on board, one of the things we realized that the food in Coastal Kitchen, it's great, but at some point you kind of want a little bit of a break, something a little bit different. And so we didn't, unfortunately, book any other dining on board, and that was a mistake. So again, don't be like us. Just because you get a suite, probably book at least one specialty dining restaurant just to kind of break up your week. But the advantage of being in a suite is you have the concierge team. Now, they're not miracle workers, but they will do their best. So last night we had asked if we could go to Izumi. It was pretty much a hard no unless we wanted to eat at like 9 o'clock at night, and we were kind of hungry, so that wasn't gonna work. Tonight, they've gone ahead and they squeezed us in. So we're gonna show up at 8:15. They don't really have a table for us. They just know that we're coming, and they're gonna basically, once a table lets up, they're gonna give us a table. Again, another perk of, this is not a flex. I'm just saying though, if you stay in the suites, it's okay to ask the concierge team to see if they can do something special for you. So that's it. So we're going to go down and enjoy some sushi. Colleen is enjoying her wine. How's that wine?
It's very good. So again, another perk of staying in a suite is, again, as Nate has mentioned previously, they do have the happy hour from 5 to 8 p.m. every night. So I like to start off my evening with just one glass of wine before dinner, and it's just a perfect way to get things going.
Yeah, don't believe her on the one glass of wine, folks. She takes advantage of that happy hour. So anyways, we've got to get moving along because we've got somewhere to be right now.
All right, so we're a little early for our dinner reservation to enjoy some sushi on Icon of the Seas. So we're going to stop over to see Bubbles, which is one of the newer drink venues here on Icon of the Seas. So let's go along and check out what's on the menu. So clearly Nate and I have been married a few years, so we both decided on the exact same drink called the Garden Breeze. It has Bacardi Superior Rum, passion fruit syrup, lime juice, mint, and Domaine Chandon. It's very excited to try this out.
Okay. Woo!
Delicious, flavorful, like just refreshing. Could be dangerous, but very, very good.
All right, and so I'm gonna give this a little shot here. Ooh, that is good. That is good. Now you can also get this in a collector's cup, an Icon collector's cup. We unfortunately have no more room left in our bags thanks to all the swag that Royal Caribbean has given us this week. So Michael Bailey, as much as I tease you, thank you for all the wonderful gifts this week. We really do appreciate it. Cheers to you, sir. How's your edamame?
Very good. The first time I actually ate edamame, I didn't realize that you're supposed to only like eat the inside, and I ate the whole thing. I mean, it's good. It's like fiber, right?
So we just placed our order. So FYI, you can come here on the dining package and you can get one small plate and 2 large plates and a dessert, right? If you have the dining package per person, which is, FYI, is a ton of food. So tonight we're gonna be doing start off with the dumplings. We're then gonna do spicy, crispy tuna roll, and then the truffled creamy lobster tempura roll, and that's it. Oh, and then the assorted sashimi. And if we're still hungry after that, then we're just gonna go to Sorrento's and eat more pizza.
Izumi always says it right. All right, so this dipping sauce is fantastic. It's got a little bit of heat, a little bit of sweetness, but it like works perfectly with like pork, since pork can be a little bit on the blander side. Really hot, really fresh. They feel like homemade. I'm sure they are, given it's Izumi.
Just had the dumplings, really, really, really good. Actually, some of the best I've had anywhere. They're super crispy, but yet, you know, they steam them and they usually fry them. Super tasty, lots of flavor. The dipping sauce is amazing. So can't wait for our sushi as well, too. So what just came?
More lobster. So creamy lobster sushi. Looks, again, just beautifully laid out on the plate. It looks amazing. So I think we're just gonna dive right in and try it out, but it looks delicious.
Just got a bottle of the Jumain Nigiri. The lovely waitress here has had to have me explain to me how to say it about 5 times. So hopefully you got that, but really good deal. $39 for a bottle of sake, which I think is actually really good and something that you would probably pay the same amount on land. So we're gonna enjoy this and our lovely lobster sushi.
Fantastic. Really, really good. It's like a kind of a crispy little like lobster fried ball on top of the sushi. Again, really like delicate, small, but like super flavorful.
So our sashimi just came as well. So again, a lot of food. It's really good. It's super fresh. Izumi is some of the best sushi like you can have anywhere. I think the only place I like sushi a little bit better is actually on Celebrity on Raw and 5. But this is actually, tonight, this has been very, very, very good. It's probably actually the best Izumi that we've ever eaten at. And also, the tuna tataki roll just showed up as well. So we have our work cut out for us. So we need to start eating. Less talking, more eating. All right? See you later, navigators. All right, navigators. That's it. We're calling it for tonight. We've got a little more sake to finish off here.
Why are you calling it for tonight?
Oh my God, there he is.
Why are you calling it? It's only like 7
No,
o'clock.
we're calling it for the vlog tonight. Because we're gonna put the camera away, finish this sake, and then keep on. And look who's just joined us, Travel Spree here, the famous Laura and Fain.
What's up? I was like, it's early to call it a night, but
No,
yeah,
no.
it makes sense. We gotta put our camera away too.
Yeah, we're calling it on the vlog because I don't know. You vlogged a lot this week.
Yes, I'm tired.
Yeah, you're tired. I'm tired.
We're glad we got to cruise with you guys though.
Yeah, we get to see you guys though.
Awesome.
It was busy this week.
Oh.
So since you're here, we're gonna put you on the spot.
Hi.
What's up? Nice to see you again.
I know.
Hi. Good.
So favorite thing from Icon this week?
Aquadome.
Aquadome.
The emptiness of the bars and the lounge chairs on the pool deck on Lido.
Absolutely.
Yeah, just the fact that it's just so much space on the ship, you can just do whatever you want and not have to worry about people on top of you.
Fantastic.
Yep.
And if for some bizarre reason you're not subscribed to Travel Spree,
Make sure you subscribe to them.
Well, I hope if you're watching this video, you would subscribe to us. But if you're not subscribed to them, and one of the best editors out there,
Thank
and
you. I
you
appreciate
too,
it. I
he is
appreciate that.
fantastic, and I can only one day hope to be as good as
Well,
Fain
thank you.
here.
I appreciate that.
So, anyways, exciting time here on Icon. We had a great trip. Thanks for coming along. Until then, we'll see you later and navigate
That's what happens when you drink sake.
Navigate your world. Whoa. I just went away 1 second to put away the camera.
Sorry, Nate. You know, we have a whole bottle. We can't like drive home with this, so we gotta drink it up tonight. Cheers, navigators.
Cheers, navigator. Remember, navigate your world.